or at least expose yourself to them. I meet young people now, and I can see, I could foretell a lot of what the future will hold for them. I met people from a freshman class, and I said, "What are you going to do in college?" And instead of say, "Have fun and learn and explore," they would go, "Well, I'm going to get a BA in business, then I'm going to get an MBA, and then I'm going to go to law school." And I'm going, and they had it down. I'm going to be an entertainment lawyer. I'm going to apprenticeship. And I'm going, they got the next 35 years planned out. And what happens if they get there and they discover they hate being an entertainment lawyer, or they hate being this? Uh, One of the psychiatrists that I knew went to law school and became a lawyer and discovered he just hated it. So he went back to medical school and became a doctor. And then he worked in a hospital and discovered he hated it. And he should have gone and hung out with doctors and find out what they do. If you don't like what somebody does, then that's the wrong job for you. And most people are thinking about finding a career instead of finding a lifestyle. See, humor doesn't mean you're laughing every moment. Some people think, if you add humor to something, you're laughing all the time. It's really about enjoyment. You may be laughing and singing on the inside and deadly serious on the outside. I asked a judge once how he kept doing this year in and year out. And quite frankly, he said, "I may appear to be deadly serious, but on the inside, I'm telling myself jokes every minute." He's going, "How could this guy be so stupid?" He goes, "He's going to go to jail for 17 years for robbing $30 from some convenience store."